Hey guys, Mylaya here at IT Supplies, and today I'm going to show you how to print on the Lawson side print platen. It's a 13 by 21 platen, and we're going to print on the side of a shirt. I already have my image set up. I'm going to go ahead and put my platen in. If you just lean on the side of it and press down, unlike what I just did, you have to stand in front of it and press down all the way. I have my height on level 3, and I already have my pre-treated garment so I can print on the side of my platen. So I'm going to go ahead and dress my platen so that I have it all ready to go for you. It's very easy to do. I get as close to the side of this shirt as possible, but placement is all a preference. You can place it on this side of the garment, this side of the garment. It's completely up to you. But do remember, whichever side you do decide to print on, make sure that you line it up perfectly on your computer. So I have mine all lined up. I just want to make sure that I don't have any rippling effects inside of my garment. All right, so I'm going ahead and press print, and we are good to go. So on Garment Creator, what I did was I went in and I just used one of the text tools that Garment Creator does have. You can do this easily in Corel Draw, Adobe Illustrator, any of those things, or Photoshop that you use. This is more so for someone who's kind of a startup, who doesn't really have a lot of design skills, and it's quick and fast, an easy way to show something to a customer so they can have an idea of what they're looking at. So remember when I told you that this platen is a side print platen, and so it's a 13 by 21. So that's 13 inches wide, 21 long. When you go inside of Garment Creator, you want to be sure that you use your 16 by 20 platen because that's the highest that it goes up to. And then also consider that you're going to be taking off 3 inches. So inside of Garment Creator, what I did was from my center point, I went 6 boxes over and started my design there. So that way to ensure that I'm not hanging off of the actual platen when it starts to print. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're designing, when you're laying out inside of Garment Creator, so that way when you print, you're not messing up a garment. This garment is almost finished. All I did was add an image, a photo from the background, and I just put all my letters in a line and put some various colors on there so that way you guys can see some different colors that Garment Creator can actually hit for you. This image is almost done and ready to go. Now I'm ready to press my shirt, secure this ink. Lay this here so I can grab it later. And now because I know for a fact that the ink isn't going to go through the shirt, I'm going to lay it right on top so that I know I'm not going to mess up the garment. Get it as close to the bottom so that everything can cure as easy. Again, where you position your image is completely up to you. You have full control over what sides you want it to be on, how creative you want to be. You want to be on 340 degrees for 60 seconds and light pressure, guys. So we're using the Stahl Hydronics Fusion IQ here. And this is what we use. So we're almost done with this too. And just like that, I have a side printed garment that is ready to wear. Thanks so much for watching this. If you would like to see more of these videos, please go to our YouTube channel.